Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. Today we have another IKEA product with us, which is SKALBODA. It's an armchair, as you see here in the video. It looks like bowl shaped and it's airy. Air can easily pass through the chair, and it comes with 10 years of warranty, and it's recommended for indoor uses only. When it comes to the dimension of the chair, the width of the chair is 64 centimeter, depth is 69 centimeter, and the height is 71 centimeter. The material used for this chair is steel, and the coating is done with polyester powder, and it's quite easy to clean the chair. You can wipe it with a damp cloth. The max weight it can withstand is 110 kg, which is quite sturdy. The plastic used for this chair is made up of polyamide plastic. The chair I am showing in the video is of white color. However, the same chair is also available in orange and black color. The chair looks very stylish, and you can definitely think of getting one from your nearby IKEA store. When it comes to the price, it cost around 5,990 rupees in INR, which is around 67 USD dollar. It's comfortable with a chair seat pad and a throw blanket. I like the yellow cushion which is being used here, which is complementing the chair. So little bit info about this cushion. It's a cushion cover of 50 into 50 centimeter, and it's a yellow tactile pattern, and it's made up of recycled polyester. As you know, IKEA supports sustainability, and it's made up of 100% polyester, and it's easy for machine wash. And when it comes to the price, it cost around 399 in INR, which is around 4.5 USD. And you can buy the cushion separately, which is available in the IKEA store. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to get more videos on product reviews like this. See you next time.